Welcome to Wheelie Detailers. My name is Martin and in this video we're going to do a step-by-step guide on how to use didnt's ceramic wash. Didnt's ceramic wash is a shampoo emulsion that washes and creates hydrophobity at the same time. But you need to follow certain steps on how to use this formula correct. First, we're always gonna wash with 2 buckets. These are still empty now, but we're gonna dilute this product right. And we always need a clean, unused microfiber wash mitt. So a wash mitt that has been used with detergent, with other shampoos, with calic shampoos, with maybe acid-based shampoos, is downgrading the effect that the didnt ceramic wash can give to your car. So make sure to use a clean, unused wash mitt for perfect and maximum results with didnt's ceramic wash. So then I have 2 buckets here. I'm gonna use 1 washing bucket and 1 rinsing bucket. So for starters, I'm gonna fill up my washing bucket half with water. So that was step 1, filling up the washing bucket half with clean water. Then when you have a low bucket, these are pretty much until here, these are often 12 to 13 liters, then you need 30 ml of product. It also says it on the label. If you have a higher bucket, which is often 15 or 16 liter, some also 19 liter, then you need 50 ml of product. Every capful is around 10 to 12 ml. So on this bucket I'm going to use 5 capfuls. And you need to dilute it exactly. So if I under-dilute it, then the hydrophobic performance will not be as good. And if I over-dilute it, then it might result in having streaks on the car after washing and before rinsing. And then once you've dried, you've got all these streaks on your car. And I'm gonna put the nozzle under the water level to mix it perfectly. I'm gonna separate the bonnet in 2 parts. 1 part we are not gonna wash and 1 part we are, to give you guys and girls a good comparison. I'm gonna give you some befores already. So I'm gonna show you that on a complete bonnet there is hardly any protection at all. Let me get my clean microfiber wash mitt out of the packaging. And now we're gonna follow the normal washing procedure. That means taking up suds, washing 1 part of the car, and then rinsing it out again in our rinsing bucket with clean water, and then taking on new suds again. You can also hear that it makes a certain sound. Dive in with your wash mitt. Glide over the area that you need to do. And you give your wash mitt a rinse in your rinsing bucket. So potential and your rinsing bucket and your washing bucket are equipped with a mid slide. So potential dust, sand particles, they will loosen from the fibers and they will funnel through the mid slide to the bottom of the bucket. You can see here on the windshield already that the water seems to be breaking open, which is the hint that a siloxane raw material will give to water. It wants to break open, it wants to push it away. A ceramic wash doesn't really create foam. It's a low foaming formula, but it does wash and glide perfectly. So, time to rinse off the car. I think it works. Let's take away that tape to see the difference in behavior. Conclusion, didnt ceramic wash. Make sure to have 2 buckets, clean, equipped with a mid-slide or a grid guard. Then in 1 bucket you're gonna dilute 30 or 50 ml of didnt ceramic wash, depending on how large your bucket is. This one you use only with clean water. You use a clean wash mitt, so a wash mitt that's not been used with detergents before for the best results. Then you're gonna wash as you normally do, and you rinse often, like after every panel or every 2 panels. So you rinse in your rinsing bucket and you take out new suds. And then afterwards you rinse off your car and enjoy some crazy hydrophobity and some crazy beading shots. So as mentioned, it's like a maintenance wash for ceramic coated vehicles to get rid of dried on alkaline detergents from cleaners or from strong shampoos that build up over time, and with that it prevents water running off freely. As well as siloxanes, and the siloxanes reinstate that ceramic repellancy behavior on your car. Can it also be used on non-ceramic coated vehicles? Yes, we can. We also show that. And it's a great maintenance wash for car, bikes, trucks, caravans, campers, RVs. If you dilute it correctly, you will not have any issue with streaks, also not when it's hot outside. And if you over dilute it, you will probably have streaks, and when you under dilute it, you will probably don't have such a strong hydrophobic behavior as the product can deliver. Hope you like this product. I hope you like this video. If you got some questions, feel free to write them here below. Email us or use the WhatsApp function on the website to ask some questions. My next step now is drying the car. If you want to know more about our best drying towels, then you might want to click on the pop-up banner to watch that video as well. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. See you guys and girls in the next video. Bye bye.